Transform your Webflow grid from desktop marvel to mobile masterpiece with this quick tutorial. Let's dive into ensuring your grid layouts shine on every screen size, starting with selecting your grid element in the Webflow designer. Here in the Style panel, we'll focus on the Layout section. This is where the magic of responsive grids begins. First, observe how your grid behaves in real time by resizing your canvas or using Webflow's built-in device previews. See how it might be breaking or overflowing on smaller screens. Now, click the device icon at the top and select your tablet breakpoint. This allows us to make adjustments specifically for this screen size. In the Layout section, find the columns property for a tablet. You might want to reduce the column count, for instance. If you have 4 columns on desktop, consider changing it to 2 for tablets. Similarly, look at your rows depending on your content. You might want to adjust row behavior often. Setting rows to auto here gives you flexibility. Next, we'll switch to the mobile breakpoint. This is crucial for a smooth mobile experience. For mobile, it's very common to simplify further. Setting your grid to a single column ensures your content stacks neatly and is easy to read. You can also adjust the gap between your grid items on smaller screens. Reducing this gap can save valuable space and improve readability. By strategically adjusting these grid properties for each breakpoint, you ensure your layout adapts seamlessly, providing an optimal viewing experience for all your users. No matter their device, it's that simple to create mobile-friendly grids in Webflow.